Welcome back guys. And in your Android mobile, if you are just getting a problem when you are turning on your phone and you are getting no SIM, no signal here, no SIM found, SIM card failure or invalid SIM or emergency calls only, then in that case what you need to do, I have already made some videos regarding that. Now I'm just once again adding some extra things, so not wasting much of your time. If you are going through this problem and if you your problem gets solved, you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So first thing what I wanted to tell you, just remove the SIM card tray and SIM and check for any physical damage of SIM card tray or SIM, and also check for dust. If you find anything hardware damage, for SIM card tray you have to go to repair shop, and for SIM you have to go to the network provider. So this was the first thing you have to check before doing anything. Second thing, just go and turn off airplane mode once and turn on it and turn off. Then sometimes it is a possibility that you will get your problem gets solved. The third thing was rebooting your device. Means if you reboot your device, press power off on it will reset many flags inside the mobile, and sometimes your problem gets solved. So 3 things you need to do immediately. Then after that, go to the setting and here SIM card and manager, and check that for every mobile carrier the preferred network type is selected or not. For I have dual SIM, I will check for both. If it is selected, you can also check that SIM is on or not. If SIM is on, then only it will come. If SIM is not on, then it will not come. I will show you, just I am turning it off. Okay, now see, no signal is there, one signal has gone. Now I will turn it on, now it will come. So first see also that it is on or not. So next, go to the setting, go to the connection and sharing in MI mobile, and in other you will find in connections, then reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. This will reset all the network setting you will do for first and then second. So reset setting, it will only no data will be lost, only the password regarding Wi-Fi may not be available after resetting. So this was one thing. Then you can also go and select your mobile network manually from toggling from here. You will select this, your device will only connect to the networks. Then okay, yes, okay, now it will select and you will search. I am going out from this because it will take consume, but after that you select manually and your SIM data will come. If it is still not coming, then what you will need to do, go to the apps and then manage apps, then manage apps, and then search for SIM toolkit, SIM toolkit, go there and then clear data. You can go to the storage and here clear data, clear all data, clear cache, okay, clear all data, okay. Then go out, then reboot the device and your device will work, I think, after that. You can also, after that, if it is not working, then you can go to the corresponding then access point, and you can now reset it to default one. This also you can try, but after doing all the things, you will certainly get your SIM signal back if your SIM is not physically damaged or your SIM tray is not physically damaged. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.